I'm going to do an unboxing. This is probably the last unboxing I'm ever going to do because it's really hard. Do you remember that I said about all the Ko-fi donations and the AdSense that I had got, that I had earned? And I said I'd ordered some lights, and I ordered some lights. I don't know what was going on with the delivery because I was waiting and waiting and waiting. Anyway, they finally came. They delivered them and they left them at the back door. They didn't put like a card through, they didn't knock. This is probably one of the most expensive things I've ever ordered. And it was pouring with rain. I couldn't believe it the one time. It's like something important. So what I'm going to do, for unboxing, I'm going to show you what they look like. What I do, just pull it. Okay. Right, don't know what those are. Carry cases maybe. Box. Ooh. Bi-colour. This is one of the panels, look. It's exciting. Oh, there's another bit. Another panel. Is that it? Okay. I should do a lighting test. Oh, and it's so grey today. It's just taken me about 20 minutes to even make this look halfway decent. So this is the last time with just the ring light and the overhead light and the grey and... Oh, wow. I'll just open one so that you can see. Well, that's Swish, isn't it? Oh, that must be the carry case. So I wonder what this bit is then. Alright, well, I'll look at that in a minute. Oh, look at that. It's pretty exciting, isn't it? So I've got two of these. Oh, and here's all the bits. Wow, this is so cool. So these must be the diffusing things. So, let's see what this is. Oh! Comedy gold. Early against technology. Technology wins. This is the diffusing thing because I thought that that would be more useful. I know nothing about lighting, not for filming anyway. I know a little bit about photography, but not portraiture, like, you know, sort of taking photographs around about in the summer around about 4 in the afternoon because you get, it's like a golden hour or something where all the shadows are right and you can make anything look amazing. But when it comes to filming, not so much. Oh, it's got little, that's cute. It's like it's got its own little tent thing. Well, I might try and put that on. I don't know how ridiculous I want to look. I mean, on the light, not on me. Right, next I think I'll get one of the stands out. Wow. I'm going to look like a right pumpkin trying to do this. Oh, okay. It's kind of a bit like a... I don't want to break it. Oh, okay, I see. So you do it. Yeah. Well, we don't need to do the whole thing. Wow, that's brilliant, isn't it? So presumably, you put this bit on. Just go in there. I just want to put it in the stand so I can show you it working. Ah, that's the bright light. Wow. This is the warm light. So this is like what you would have your normal household bulbs. Yeah, light fittings and stuff, they tend to be more warm. That's as bright as it goes with just the white lights. That's as bright as it goes with the other light. There you go. It's working to a fashion. I'll ask one of my friends about the ins and outs of it and everything. I might ask my partner actually because he'll know as well how to get it all working properly, and I'll test out the other one as well. Okay, final lighting test. The light from over there is on 100% white with a tiny bit of yellow. The stand is on its fullest extent and it's literally right at the end of my work table. The light over there is on its fullest height, and now I'm just trying to get the light coming slightly from above so that we get some nice shadowage going on here. I've nearly got it, I've just adjusted it again, so I'm just going to see if I've got that right. If not, I might need to get it a little bit more of an angle. It's no wonder lighting guys are worth their weight in gold, is it? Just wanted to show you what just watching videos does. Yeah, next video I do, I'll be using the new lights. If I'd have thought like a year ago that I would have this number of subscribers, that I would be monetized, that people were actually watching the videos, that's kind of nice. I'm just stunned really. I couldn't have predicted that this would happen. And I just really want to say thank you for all your support, and I hope I can sort of pay it back in some way at some point, but I don't really know how. Yeah, I try and stay involved in the comments and that kind of thing, and so yeah, I really appreciate all of the support and just the lovely comments and people even sharing the videos with people. But most of all, what I hope you take away from all of them is that everyone can be creative. And it's just a question of finding what your inspiration is. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you and show you what you bought. Thank you very much. Bye. See you again soon. Oh, and when this goes up, I'll probably have 2,000 subscribers. Yes, me. Isn't that brilliant? So thank you for that. It's really kind.